Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. With PayRules, you can easily hide, sort, or rename payment methods. In this video, we'll show you how to hide a payment method based on single product quantity using the PayRules app. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. Now, we'll use the search box to find the single product quantity condition and click on Select this combinations where it appears. Now click on the Add a Condition button. Then scroll through the list and select Single Product Quantity. Here in the Single Product Quantity set, the quantity, for example, we'll choose if more than and enter 4. In this section, you can control which products the rule should apply to. If you select any product, the rule will apply to every product in the cart. If you choose Selected Products, the rule will only apply to specific items that you define. After selecting this option, you need to decide how to filter the products by products, product tags, or collections. Next, select Selected Products and choose how you want to filter them, such as by products, tags, or collections. We select products here. After that, click on Set Products to add the specific items you want to apply this rule to. For example, here we will select Wooden Spin. Now set a name for the rule. Go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add Cash on Delivery and Alipay. Alipay payment method is not available in this list, so we will simply write the payment name manually, like Alipay, and click on Add Alipay option. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. This means the Cash on Delivery and Alipay will be hidden if the customer adds more than 4 items in their cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay are visible because the cart contains less than 4 items in the cart. Now let's add a few quantities of products to bring the quantity more than 4. Yes, the Cash on Delivery and Alipay is not visible anymore. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!